This video is from Polytechnic Premier Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah. It was made according to the syllabus for Bachelor of Electronic Engineering Technology in Medical Electronics. BEU 7273 Maintenance Therapeutic Equipment. Unit 3 Defibrillator. By following this lesson, students will be able to state the principal operation of a defibrillator, practice safety aspects and special precaution, do a basic preventive maintenance, and know basic troubleshooting technique. Principle of operation. What is a defibrillator? As the name suggests, defibrillation stops fibrillation, which is the useless trembling that a person's heart muscles can adopt during a cardiac arrest. Simply speaking, a defibrillator works by using a moderately high voltage to pass an electric current through the heart, so it's shocked into working normally again. Defibrillator consists of an electric supply unit and two metal electrodes called pedals that are pressed very firmly to the patient's chest using insulating plastic handles. The important thing is getting the current to flow through the heart, so where the pedals are applied is crucial. One way of applying them is to put one pedal above and to the left of the heart and the other slightly beneath and to the right. Another method involves placing one pedal on the front of the body and the other around the back. In order for the electric current to flow properly and to reduce the risk of skin burns, the electrodes have to be applied close enough together. They must also make a good electrical contact with the skin, so a solid or liquid conducting gel is usually applied to the patient's chest first. Safety aspect and precaution. The pedals used in the procedure should not be placed on a woman's breast and over an internal pacemaker patient. Before the pedal is used, a gel must be applied to the patient's skin. For the risk, skin burns from the defibrillator pedals are the most common complication of defibrillation. Other risks include injury to the heart muscle, abnormal heart rhythms, and blood clots. Preventive maintenance, service check and tester video. List of basic checks are discharge check, battery check, recorder check, alarm check, and voice check. For the tester module, use the button for select defib energy and choose either low or high mode. Make sure the tester in ready condition. Set the defibrillator at 2 Joule for low mode and 100 Joule for high mode. Put the pedals on tester, press charge button and then discharge. Troubleshooting. For the troubleshooting, attach the external and internal pedals. If the monitor reads no pedals, check to ensure that the leads are securely attached if the monitor reads no leads. Connect the unit to AC power if the message reads low battery. Verify the energy select control settings are correct if the defibrillator does not charge. Change the electrodes and make sure that the electrodes adapter cable is properly connected if you receive a message of pacer failure. Restart the pacer. And the last one is close the recorder door and the paper roll if the monitor message reads check recorder.